Hello guys, welcome to here. Today I am going to show in this video how to turn off Facebook sounds. Where to go for this settings on Facebook? I will show you step by step. Are you Facebook user? This video for you. My name is Mahesh. Watch the video till it. Let's get started. Guys, first of all, open the Facebook app. Now you can go to three horizontal line top right corner. Tap here. Now scroll down here. You can go to settings and privacy. Tap on here. Then go to settings. Scroll down here. You can see here media option. Tap on here. Now scroll down here. You can see video start with sound. You can turn off here like this. Now go to sound in the app. Turn off like this. Thank you so much for watching.